What's up guys, it's Andre here from Carplay Solutions, back with another video. So you guys requested it. We're gonna remove this old boring instrument cluster from BMW and we're gonna install the aftermarket digital instrument cluster. Now it's a really short video, it's really simple, anyone can do it. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, so first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the steering wheel as far away as possible. We're gonna lock it and then just get a nice thing to just cover up here so that you don't scratch anything. Okay, so that's that. And then in the box you will get two of these pins. Depends on F30s and stuff, there's maybe just a screw to remove. Push this pin in there, and also in the other side you're gonna pull it down and then you're gonna slide this one out. And there you go. So you'll see you're gonna pull this thing in and this one is gonna pull this down and then it's gonna slide out. Okay. Alright, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna just pull this out nice and slowly. Try not to scratch anything. Okay, there you go. And then you will see here there is this plug, so you're gonna push that one in and then you're gonna slide this one out. This is the optic fiber cable. Alright, so then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your finger in there, pull that out, and then this optic fiber cable slides out like that. This one, what you're gonna do, you're gonna also just slide this one out, so use your finger and there you go. So now these two has to be removed here, so just pull it out here. That's the first one, and then the second one, there you go. Now this is the brand new unit, it's the digital instrument cluster. Now you're gonna slide it in there and slide this one in here, and there you go. So now it's nicely fitted. Alright, so this one you will see there is an arrow, so with that arrow it should point inwards, so you're gonna just slide it in like that. Now it's nicely fitted. Next up we have to fit this optic fiber cable. Now just make sure that the edge, just take note of the edge because it's easy to put this in the wrong way. So there's the edge, you'll hear a click sound. There you go. So there is where the optic fiber comes in, and then if you look behind here, that is where this power cable plugs in. So let's fit this. There you go. And then the optic fiber cable. Just note that we should be careful of this one so that you don't break it. So next up we have this USB cable, like this LVDS plug. So it should just be connected there, and there you go. So I'm just gonna put it here behind the dash and let it sit here behind this side. So when you open the door, you will see you will have access. If you open this up, you will have access to it. Once that is fitted, all the cables is fitted, we can just test the unit. So I'm just gonna switch on the car and see. There you can see it's turning on. And there you go. Just one thing guys, the glare isn't as bad as it looks. It's way better in person. if you're interested in one of our units from Carplay Solutions, like the digital instrument cluster or one of the Android head units, don't hesitate to contact us. We have a website. You can find all of our details in the description. Here at Carplay Solutions, we can supply all across the world high-spec units, and follow us for more updates. We might get a steering wheel upgrade quite soon. So yeah.